It's an edible chemistry kit that we got from Amazon.com.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
All right, so let's put this over here. And here we have some of the sit down. Okay, you can hold them and show the camera. What does that say? Citric acid, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, magic color crystals. So let's find the instructions.
I want to see how
we will. We're going to use all three of those.
Big or tiny.
We're going to use all three of those items, okay? So let's put this here. And let's find the instructions for the soda. Let's do the Fizz Whiz, okay? Because it uses the magic color crystals.
Okay.
All right, you ready? All right. So, take a plastic cup and fill it halfway with cool drinking water from the tap. Let me go get cool drinking water from the tap. Now, add 2 small scoops of magic color crystals. So you go ahead and you use that little scooper and you put it in there and you take 1 scoop. I'll help you. Just a minute. Dump it in there. Don't hit the water.
It's like a different color now.
Get your stirrer ready.
Okay, it looks like pink. Darker pink.
Now stir it around, but don't spill it, okay?
Okay.
All right, there we go.
Oh, it smells a different color.
It smells good, doesn't it? Smell juicy?
Yeah, kinda. But blueberries made me evolve into this.
It smells a little bit like blueberries,
Ooh,
doesn't
it's
it?
like
It's purple.
Yes,
All right.
Mommy likes purple.
Okay, just keep stirring it without spilling it. That's a solution. Add 2 scoops of baking soda to the magic color solution. Baking soda. I'll do this one and then you can do the citric acid, okay? 2 scoops of baking soda. Ooh, that's a lot. There's 1 scoop. Don't touch the scooper. You'll get it wet. 2 scoops. Now stir that around real well, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I don't know what's real well.
Okay, well, as long as you stir it around, it'll be fine. Just don't want to let it sit, and don't spill it, okay?
Okay. It's getting more purple.
You're doing really good at not spilling anything here.
I think this could glow in the dark now.
No, I don't think so. But that would be funny, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Now add a scoop of citric acid and watch it fizz.
Okay.
Careful. Here, let me see. Do you want to add the citric acid?
Oh, sure.
Just a second.
Ooh, that looks like diamonds.
Looks like diamonds? Okay, go ahead and add that. Add it carefully. Good. All right, what's happening? Stir it up. What do you see happening?
It's turning pink. It's turning pink now.
Yeah, it turned pink and it bubbled, didn't it?
It's
It
bubbling.
has bubbles in it. Oh, they're going away. Now, add another scoop, and then we can take a sip.
A sip?
Yeah, we can take a sip of this.
Oh, I wonder what tastes gonna be.
Here. Go ahead and stir it.
It's on a bubble now.
It's
Look.
bubbling, yeah. Go ahead and stir it. Okay, now you want to take a sip?
Mhm.
Go ahead and take a sip.
It bore my tongue.
It burned your tongue?
Yeah.
It bubbled a little bit, doesn't it? Let me take a sip. Oh, I see what you mean. It just tastes like Alka-Seltzer with purple grape flavor. So maybe we should put some sugar in there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? And then we'll put a little bit more citric acid and baking soda and make it fizz some more, and we'll have soda.
Mom wants to taste of this.
Okay, you ask Mom. I'll be right back.
Mom, we can taste this. Get your Come on, taste it. Come on.
Okay? Let me know when it's ready.
Oh, you said now I just like.
Here, Marie, I got some sugar. It's actually stevia.
Oh, what's here?
You're wearing my lenses.
What was it?
That's okay. Oh, no, you're not. I'm sorry. My bad. Here, stir it up. Stir that in. And then we'll put a little bit more citric acid. Uh-oh.
What is it?
It reacted. I didn't know that was going to happen. Oh, it's foamy. Let's taste it now. Ooh, it's delicious. You taste a sip. Is it fizzy?
It doesn't taste good.
It doesn't taste good?
Water.
Let me taste it. It's not bad. Here, now taste it.
Kind of thing.
Kind of the same, but it looks good, doesn't it?
I wish it would be strawberry. Have this.
Yeah, strawberry would be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I want some strawberry.
But this was still a fun experiment, wasn't
If I
it?
dip a strawberry in there, what's gonna happen?
I don't know.
Explode?
Not gonna. You're so cute. Will it explode? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Say that again.
Is it gonna explode?
Is it gonna explode? I don't know. I don't know. Did you have fun with this experiment?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like this kit?
Yes.
All right. You want to drink another toast?
No.
No? I'll drink. Okay. Here's to my beautiful daughter, Marie. Oh, Mommy didn't get to taste it.
Oh. Oh man.
Oh, man.
Okay, so that's the first experiment from our, it's called Eat 16 Tasty Experiments. What's the name of this package? It's from Edible Chemistry Kit. I forget the name of the, CopernicusToys.com. And I'd say this was a big success. It has all the documentation we need.
Make more for mommy.
We will next time. We're going to make more. Don't worry. Okay?
Yeah, why not? 'Cause that's so much fun.
You want to make more? You had fun doing that, huh?
Mhm.
All right, we'll make another batch for Mommy.
Let's grab all the food.
Okay, in this experiment, we're doing experiment number 2 from the Edible Chemistry Kit. And we're going to use orange juice. It says we could use orange juice here.
You
Okay.
can put it in a bottle.
And we're going to use the Erlenmeyer flask. Is that right, Marie? We're going to use that flask to look real professional. Okay, it's freshly washed. You ready to go? All right, let's go. Here we go.
I'm gonna be close to this. So,
Okay, let me put a little bit of orange juice in there. For this experiment, you need a little lemon, orange, lime, or lime grapefruit juice. Take a plastic cup, fill it half with drinking water from the tap, 2 scoops of magic color, and 2 scoops of baking soda. But now add a teaspoon of juice. Okay, let me go get the water. Here's our cold drinking water. Okay, and then it says add a teaspoon of juice from a citrus fruit such as lemon, lime, orange, or grapefruit juice to the mixture. Oh, first add 2 scoops of color crystals, magic color crystals. Okay, you want to put them in, or do you want me to do it?
I want to put it in.
All right, go ahead. Whoa, careful. Okay, go ahead. Put a little bit more. All right, that's enough. Tap it out. Okay, that's enough. Okay, there's our color. Why don't you swirl it around? That's it. Swirl it around. Go like this.
It's getting purple.
There you go. All right, now
It's
show the camera.
purple.
Okay, great.
I wonder what it smells like.
And then it says, add 2 small scoops of baking soda, just like in experiment number 1. So where's the baking soda?
What?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do this one.
I don't know which one is the diamond. Oh, can I see the baking soda?
There's the baking soda. 2 scoops of baking soda. I put a little bit much in there, but
And
that's okay.
mix it.
Now swirl it around. That's it. You're doing great. Alright, now it says add a teaspoon of juice. Okay, let's add a teaspoon of juice. Let me swirl this around.
Oh, it's
Let's add a teaspoon of juice here. I'm probably going to add more than a teaspoon.
turning pink.
It's turning pink, and did it fizz?
Okay.
It fizzed a little bit. Should we add some sugar?
Oh, sure. No, this is.
That one? Okay, because I think that's going to help the reaction. The stevia we're adding, I think that might help the reaction. So let's add some stevia. Now it's a different kind of purplish pink. Do you think we need to add more orange juice?
Maybe. Here. Now pink again.
All right, it's fizzy. Should I taste it first?
Oh, sure.
Sure, yeah, okay. Oh my goodness, that is delicious.
I'm tasting.
You want to try it? Go ahead, try it. Should we let Derek have some?
Let me smell it first.
Don't drop that. Derek, taste it. You want some more?
Oh, sure.
Just save some for Mommy. Is it delicious?
No, I don't.
Go ahead, taste it.
I want Mom to taste
All right,
it.
Mommy's going to come over and taste it.
Come on. It's slurp juice.
I know the shirt.
It is slurp juice.
It's pink slurp juice. Oh, it's in a different color now.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
It's sweet, but it's like a soda. They don't
Like a
have
lab
gas anymore.
experiment, yeah.
Okay, let's pour one little diamond. So let's make it sparkle.
I'll tell you what, let's put some more citric acid in there.
Oh, sure.
Should we put citric acid in there? 2 scoops, and let's see if we can fizz it up a little bit.
Really?
Alright, swirl it around, please. Is it fizzy? You want to try it? Well, it's fizzing. No. Marie, try it while it's fizzing. Is that good?
It burned my tongue.
It burned your tongue?
It's because I'm not used to hot soda.
That's because you're not used to soda. That's much better now, and it's tangy. Mmm.
Let's put them this because maybe those
No more of that. No more of that. You've had enough. You've had more than enough orange juice tonight. So that was pretty delicious.
Let's save.
It's fizzing again. Look how it's fizzing. Go ahead. You want to finish it? It's
What?
delicious now.
No, let's save it for later when we wash it.
We'll make some more later. Okay. All right. Say goodnight. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Oh,
That's what do you like this kit? Do you love it?
yeah.
What are you doing? Are you putting loving on it? Show us. No, on the kit. Oh, that's nice. All right, show it. Let's show it.
It'll be kiddables.
Take 2. Ready? Go. Stay there and smile at the camera and keep everyone entertained, okay? Cool drinking water from the tap right over here. There we go. Are you keeping everyone entertained on the video, Marie?
Yes.
Good job. Good job.
How much spiralness did I just did?
All right, hang on a second.